This is Dev's Academy. You must subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Today you will get the same chapter, that is rational and irrational numbers. This is for class 9. The first question is, state with reason which are surds and not a surds. First question is root over of 180. Root over of 180 equal to 6 root 5. Since 6 root 5 is a surd, therefore it is a surd. Similarly, fourth root of 27, it is a surd because this is not a complete number, that is whole number or integer or anything, so it is a surd. And 5 root of 128 is equal to 2 fifth root of 4, it is also a surd. But cube root of 64 is not a surd because its value is 4, a natural number. Similarly, cube root of 25 into cube root of 40 equal to cube root of 1000, that is 10, so it is not a surd. And minus 125, cube root of minus 125 equal to minus 5, it is also not a surd. And root over pi is not a surd because pi is irrational, that's why it is not a surd. And root over of 3 plus root over of 2, root over 3 plus inside that root over of 2 is not a surd because 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Now rationalizing factor, RF, rationalizing factor. In case of number 1, 5 root 2, if we multiply this with a root 2, it will be a complete number, a natural number, 10 it will be. So its rationalizing factor is root 2. In case of root over 24, it is 2 root 6. So root 6 will be its rationalizing factor. 5 root 3, its rationalizing factor will be 5 plus root 3. The reason is given. 7 minus root 7, its rationalizing factor is 7 plus root 7. The illustration is also given. Root over of 18 minus root over of 50, which is root 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2. The rationalizing factor is 3 root 2 plus 5 root 2. Opposite. These are called complementary surds. Similarly, root over 5 minus root over 2, its rationalizing factor is root over 5 plus root over 2, which is a complementary factor, complementary surds of it. Root over 13 plus 3, its rationalizing factor is root over 13 minus root 3, which is complementary surds. 15 minus 3 root 2, its rationalizing factor will be 15 plus 3 root 2. And 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3, rationalizing factor is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. These are all. Now you have to rationalize these questions. 3 root 5, it is given. 3 root 5, if we multiply the denominator and the denominator with 3 root 2 with 5 root 5, then it will be 3 root 5 by 5. This 5 is free from surds. The denominator 5 is free from surds. Similarly, 2 root 3 by 5 is also like this. So the denominator is, all the denominators in case of this are free from surds. Here either the same surds or with its complementary surds, the denominator at the same time the numerator is multiplied and they have been free from surds, thus they have been rationalized. Question number 4, you have to find out the values of A and B. Here you also have to apply the same thing, that is rationalizing. Here it is given, the first question, 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. By rationalizing this 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, we are getting 7 plus 4 root 3. So 7 equal to A and b equal to 4. This is answer. And second question, 7 root 2 minus 2 by 7 root 7 minus 2 by root 7 plus 2 equal to a root 7 plus b. Similarly, rationalizing this also, we are getting the value of root 7 minus 2 by root 7 plus 2 is 11 by 3 minus 4 root 7 by 3. So a equal to minus 4 by 3 and b equal to 11 by 3. Similarly, 3 by root 3 minus root 2, by rationalizing we are getting the answer is a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 3. All these are identities. The formula is identities and rationalizing factor. So all these, question number 4 has been rationalized, and question number 5 you have to simplify. 22 by 2 root 3 plus 1 plus 17 by 2 root 3 minus 1. By rationalizing here, if you take LCM and add like fraction, then it will be free from surds. The denominator will be free from surds. The answer is 78 root 3 minus 5 by 11. Similarly, root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 minus root 3 by root 6 plus 2. The denominators, just see these denominators, root 6 minus root 2 and root 6 plus 2, they are complementary surds. So after subtracting, we will get this one, 2 root 3 plus 2 minus 3 root 2 plus root 6 by 6 minus 4, that is 6 minus 4 equal to 2. This is the answer. So you have got all the questions, and next you will get all other the questions and the formula or procedure for rationalizing. Today this much.